I'm gonna pee.
You want quick break?
Yeah, I'm gonna go toilet. I'm gonna run.
Right now?
Sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes. Okay, this might be a weird question, Sonny, but do you wash your hand after you pee?
Usually, yeah.
Why?
What do you mean?
No, why?
It's better to wash it before you pee, actually.
Yeah, but why?
I don't know, just because if you've been in the toilet, you know, it's not about what you touched on. If you went to the toilet, you probably touched something dirty, right?
That is true.
Yeah.
So, I mean, but like, you pee with your thingy, you know, what would you wash your hand? No, don't take me seriously.
I could answer this.
Of course I wash my hand, god damn it.
I could answer this really in depth if you want to, but yeah, I mean, I usually do it.
Sure. Do it.
No, but
in depthly. I want to hear.
No, you're looking so smug with your mirage. Both of you. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna answer it. No.
Hey!
I lied.
Yeah. So, but do you not wash after?
No,
Just before?
No, I usually wash afterwards.
So before and after.
No,
God damn.
Well, usually just after.
I see.
Yeah.
Not during?
Sometimes during. Like. Like,
wait,
yeah, because like there's like a flowing water source while you're doing it, right?
Wait. You're not. Just to be clear, you're not washing your hands with your yellow water, right?
No, what? What are you talking about?
During.
No. I mean, I wash it inside the toilet bowl.
I get it. I can see that. Yes, it's water. It's still water. No, but for real. During peeing, right? Like, you wash your hand. That is biggest Chad move I've ever heard.
Yeah, it's like, why would you waste time waiting until you're done peeing to wash your hands when you can just do it while you're peeing?
It's a waste of water, right?
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Right? God. Damn, biggest Chad right here. Like, fuck.
Yeah.
Shit.
It's just more efficient that way. Like, you know, if there's a flowing water source, like, why would you wait until you're finished? Just do it while you're doing it already, you know?
Shit, I'm not just saying. I'm not making fun of you, but damn.
Yeah.
You know, like, damn. You know.
Yeah. Damn, I have good ideas, right?
Like, no, Chad. It's not Chad. It's not like the toilet. It's the standing. What do you call it? Standing.
The urinal.
Standing toilet. The standing urinal. Yeah.
The standing urinal, and it
Yeah, the
flushes.
standing urinal has a water fountain coming out of it, right? Like,
Yeah.
it's pouring down. Yeah, I mean, I wash my thingy with that sometimes, but not my hands. Like, it's so little. The water is so little.
In Japan, they always have like the, what do you call it? Like the bidet. So I always just like turn the bidet on when I go to the toilet.
No fucking way. You wash your thingy with the bidet?
And just like, yeah, while I'm doing my business, I just put my hands over that.
No, you fucking did not.
Yeah, for real.
With the bidet?
Yeah, for sure.
With the bidet?
Of course. Doesn't everyone do that? And you know,
I'm saluting to you right now.
And you know, if I'm feeling thirsty at the time, I might lean over, open my mouth.
No, you don't. No.
What do you mean? It's just water. It's all water. What's the difference between like using like from a bottle or from the bidet? It's the same thing. Like bottle, bidet, they even sound similar. There's no difference.
I mean, that's true. Water's water. I cannot argue with that. But
Let's see what the big deal is, man.
Oh, you know, my camera just went whack over the for a sec. Oh my god. I'm tearing up.
I'm glad you're finding this so funny.
Whoa.
It's until I die.
No! Sorry! No, don't shoot him!
I should have just left
He
him.
wouldn't know you were there.